California motorcyclists have to look out for all kinds of road hazards. Otherwise, the costs can be huge. Missing something as common as a pothole might lead to a serious accident with life-altering injuries. That's one of the reasons that government agencies responsible for road maintenance are legally required to clearly mark any road hazards they are unable to fix right away. If they don't, their negligence might be grounds for a personal injury claim. A personal injury claim can provide compensation for your medical costs, lost income, pain and suffering, long-term rehabilitation, mobility devices, and other damages related to your accident. But making a personal injury claim against your local government isn't something most people should try on their own. At Maison Law, we want you to have the resources you need for a full recovery. That starts with a free consultation with one of our attorneys to understand all your legal options. So, if you or someone you love has been injured in a motorcycle accident caused by a pothole in California, contact Maison Law right away.